When we left during the emergency rule, our records are there. We left over 300 and something billion. When we came back, we met about 600 and something. Every penny that we're spending, the record is there. And evidence of it will be shown within now and the next 6 months. So there is no issue on what are we doing with our money, what are we doing with the money they made. At least nobody can take away my sincerity, my genuineness. I am not associated to anything that has to do with fraudulent acts. If there is one thing I can walk, I can say and do that I'm even proud of, is nobody can associate me with anything that has to do with any bad thing. So your money and the record of how your monies are being spent is intact. We have very, 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 very strong projects that we are doing. Maybe the reason why some persons believe that there is something that is happening that they are not aware. We don't believe in flagging of projects, except otherwise. We believe in commissioning them. We don't want to spend money just to flag up projects and also spend money to commission. So let's save you the money of flagging off and entertain you when we are ready to tell you that this is what we have done with your money.